The one rule that can make you rich. Want to know the one rule that separates the financially free from everybody else? It's not a secret, but it feels like one. What if I told you it's simpler than you might think, but most people miss it entirely? Stick around because this one rule, it can change everything. Have Have you ever heard of the FIRE movement? Financial independence, retire early? Sounds kind of complicated, right? But the core concept, the one rule that makes it all incredibly simple is spend less than you earn, invest a surplus, and avoid debt. That's it. It's the basic arithmetic that so many people overlook. The goal isn't just saving, it's building up assets that produce passive income enough to cover your living expenses forever. Boom, that's all. The classic rule of thumb is to save 25 times your annual expenses. That's where the 4% rule comes in, allowing you to withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year without running out of money. But the real lesson here isn't just the math, it's the mindset. It's about being intentional with your money, not just letting it disappear month after month. It's about making your money work for you instead of you constantly working for it. This isn't about being cheap. Nope. It's about being smart and strategic with your hard-earned cash. So here's your mission, Cracked Canvas crew. What's one thing you can cut from your budget today to supercharge your savings? Or what's one small investment you're making this week? Drop your actionable steps in the comments below. Let's get this movement going. One smart choice at a time. The journey to financial freedom starts right now. Boom.